Hello everyone, welcome to Stealth video series.
H-1B visa travel status. Just a few hours before the H-1B entry ban was set to expire, President Trump extended it for another 90 days until March 31, 2021. All the entry restrictions from the June 24, 2020 proclamation stand as is, thus restricting thousands of legitimately earned US work visa holders around the world from entering the US. This entry ban continues to impact the various categories of work visas, including H-1B, J-1, L-1, as well as 9,000 diversity lottery winners of 2020. Limitations on legal immigration was executed under the pretext of saving American jobs for locals and not have foreign skilled labor take them over. Coronavirus pandemic had increased unemployment across the United States, which led to such sweeping limitations on foreign labor force. The extension to the restrictions directly impacts the applicants outside the United States who are waiting to be given their new visas, be it a non-immigrant work visa like a newly approved H-1B or an immigrant visa based on their green card applications. These could be either sponsored by spouses or employers. Limited consular processing abroad. This means all petitions will be handled on case-by-case basis. Appointments might be necessary at the US consulates. If you are currently already residing within the US, this is how your visa status is impacted by the extension of the entry ban. H-1B Lottery 2022 will take place as scheduled. H-1B extensions and transfers within the US are permitted. H-1B change of status is permitted. Green card applications will continue being processed as per the queue. F-1 students can change over to H-1B within the US if they have a sponsoring employer. Forms I-140 and I-485 will not be impacted by this extension. If this extension continues and family-based green cards are left underutilized, these unused visas will overflow into the employment-based categories, giving a huge push in the priority dates for them. This was seen in October 2020's Visa Bulletin, wherein many employment-based green card holders got a major forward movement in their waiting line. And a similar forward movement can be anticipated in October 2021.
We hope this video has been helpful to you. At Stealth, we provide financial services for immigrants and the underserved. Subscribe to our channel and visit stealth.com for more details.